All right, Richie, and I'm here, Crazy Rides Inc., and we're here at K&G Marine, custom repairs, yachts, and metal fabrication design. We're here to show a little display on something that they've been doing on a side project. So Carlos is with me. Say hello, Carlos.
How you doing? How are you?
Okay. Carlos, what do we have here?
Well, we started modifying the bike. I just bought a bike just to go around. And my guy decided that it was too stuck. And we started just taking the tank and replacing the tank. And then we went through the front tire, replacing that. Then the handle, they didn't like it. It wasn't my idea, but they said, let's just replace this. And they replaced that. They replaced the brakes. They replaced the brake lines. They extended the bracket for the tire so they can put a bigger tire in the back. And then they replaced the fender as well. So as you can see, it doesn't look like a 750 Honda anymore.
No, so right now we're looking at a 21-inch front wheel that looks awesome with the thick spokes, and we're watching now on a 200. This bike probably came with a 180, not even a 180, a 130 or a 120 tire. So now we're running a 200 tire with matching spoke rims. What he did with this swinging arm was he cut it, stretched it this way, and then he also widened it, put gusset plates. You painted all that already.
Yes,
because I have pictures
we
of
did.
it without it, right?
Yeah, we did.
All that was all gusset plate, and this is something that's very hard to do because you got to get that right. Otherwise, this bike will be riding sideways. And right now, this bike is like straight as an arrow, like it was a new bike. He's got hot ass struts. He's got a hot ass, and he's also running a spring seat. Ah, those were the days, those spring seats.
We're working on it.
I had one on mine. Yeah, it was like a pogo. He's running a Z handlebars. These were a big, big draw back in the day. I mean, he's got modern and nostalgia here. He's got the spike grips. That's a 6-gallon tank that you're looking at. This guy can go forever. Bike is beautiful. It really, I tell you the truth, when this bike is done, painted, we want to come back and we want to do a finished project on it.
2 more weeks.
Whoa,
Shoot
2
with
more
that.
weeks. So they also now are running, what's your buddy's name?
Johnny.
Johnny?
Johnny.
So this is Johnny's bike. This is the second project they're going on. He's running a 160 tire in the back, a 180 tire rather. This is the one, a 190 tire. He's running a 190 tire in the back. And as you could see, he hasn't even started. So he's going to be doing a lot of work on this. I'm sure when they get done with this after 2 weeks, that this will be the next project. So when we come here after 2 weeks and take a full shot, and when this bike is finished and running, we'll see how much they accomplished on here. Carlos, thank you very much.
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you very much for letting us do
Thank
your,
you.
shop.
Of course.
Great guy. He's got a good mechanic. He's got a great shop here. If you need any work done on your bikes, as far as metal fabrication, he won't work on the bike, but if you bring him a pipe, a bracket, or a swinging arm that you want it altered, that's the guy to see in Davie, Florida.
Yes, we're located in 3750 Hacienda Boulevard in Davie, Florida. Come and see us.
Thank you.